Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials: your 12-digit Aadhar, registered mobile, and scanned identity and address documents in PDF or JPEG. Once done, open the UID portal and go to My Aadhar, then Update Aadhar Online. Select the update type you need. You'll use your mobile for OTP, so make sure the SIM is active. Enter your Aadhar and request OTP. This verifies you. After entering the OTP, you gain access to the update form to start making changes. You now complete the online update form. Choose exactly which fields: name, address, date of birth, gender, mobile, or email you're changing, and fill them accurately. Then upload the corresponding scan proofs. Make sure images are legible and match the field you claim. Once uploaded, map each document to the right field and use the preview option to verify every character. If something looks off, correct it now. Once you're satisfied, proceed to authenticate and calculate the update request summary. You finish by paying the modest update fee using net banking, UPI, or card, and note the generated SRN. This is your tracking ID. After submission, track progress with the SRN on the portal. Sometimes you'll need an additional OTP or in-person biometric at an Aadhar center. Make sure to save receipts and the SRN. If the update is rejected, don't panic. Check why, improve document clarity, or correct mismatched fields, and resubmit promptly. Many issues stem from poor scans or...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.